Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video I will show you how you can copy notes from your customer while creating a sales order. So currently, let me go to my sales order form. So to create a sales order, I will need a customer. Okay, now let me create a new sales order. So here if I select any customer, let's say I select this customer, okay, and I click OK. Okay, so you will notice currently, if you'll go to this header section, like the notes header section, so the notes are not getting copied. So let me go to, first of all, to my customer page. So what I will do, I will go to accounts receivable, and let me go to customers, and let me find this customer. Here we go. So I'll go to note section. Okay, what I will do, I will create a note here. So I will say new, I will click on notes. And then here I will add my description, name and type into this notes. So here let me say this is customer test notes. Okay, and I'm going to copy same thing here. Let me say the restriction as external. Let me save this. Now even when I will try to create a sales order now, I'm creating a new sales order and I'm choosing exactly the same customer, and I will click OK. So still, if you see, the notes are not copied from our customer to our sales order. So in order to achieve this, what you can do, so for that we'll need to enable a parameter here. So I'll go to setup and I will go to accounts receivable parameter, and here if you will go to sales setup, and here we should have an option, this one, copy notes when transferring to sales order. So let me check this and let me save this. Now I'll create my new sales order and let me select my customer again. I will click OK. And this time if you'll go to header section, so you will notice the notes are automatically copied. So this is a note that we have added into our customer, right? For this customer, D365 customer. So this gets automatically copied to our sales order header. So to that, in order to achieve this, we simply went to our accounts receivable, we go to setup, we go to accounts receivable parameter, and here we basically toggle this one to yes. Thanks for watching this video.